This will be an unboxing and quick review video of a Steeldive SD1953 Rolex Submariner Homage. I purchased this from AliExpress from the Steeldive store during their 11/11 sale for about $53 US, including shipping and tax. So let's go ahead and take a look. So just like other Steeldive watches, this is going to ship in a plastic clamshell case. Inside the box, you're going to receive the watch, which is nicely protected in plastic. You're going to get a guarantee card. As usual, it is unsigned. An instruction manual. And a bracelet resizing tool. And let's remove the watch from all the packaging. You can see that it's nicely protected in bubble wrap. It has this piece of foam to protect the case back from the bracelet. So I ordered this SD1953 in this particular colorway. So this has a black bezel insert along with a turquoise or maybe Tiffany blue colored dial. It's a very, very nice, attractive watch. I really like this colorway because I like the contrast between the black bezel insert and the dial. You can see the Steeldive logo is actually in white along with automatic 300 meters on the dial. And today I'm wearing my SD1953 in a gray version. So I have a review on my channel if you want more detailed information regarding this watch. Here they are side by side. Pretty nice pair, wouldn't you say? So with this watch, you're getting a ceramic bezel insert, a Seiko NH35 automatic movement, a Cyclops date magnifier, a screw down crown, which is signed with the Steeldive logo, a screw down case back. Now this is available on an oyster style bracelet or a Jubilee. Has a signed Steeldive logo clasp. And you're getting this awesome lume. So these watches are really known for their lume. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and thank you for watching.